Assalamualaikum followers. Hope so you are fine. Welcome back to the Meraiki Guiders. Hope so you like our first video. Today we are discussing few more vocabulary words with their synonyms, antonyms and their use in the sentence. So let's start. Our first word is catastrophic. Extremely harmful, bringing physical or financial ruin. इसका मतलब होता है तबाहकुन, बर्बादी. Now discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are disastrous. Second one is awful. Third one is fatal. Fourth one is dire, and the last one is terrible. Now move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are fortune and beneficial. Now discuss its example. Its example is I hope I never have to experience a catastrophic disaster. Now move toward our second word. Our second word is peculiar. Something strange, uncommon, to different to the normal. इसका मतलब होता है अजीब, गैर मामूली, अनोखा. Now discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are unusual. Second one is exceptional. Third one is strange. Fourth one is queer. Fifth one is funny, and the last one is eccentric. Now move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are normal, common and unusual. Now discuss its example. Its example is she gives him some very peculiar looks. Now move toward our next word. Our next word is spew. Expel large quantity of something rapidly or forcibly. इसका मतलब होता है क्या करना, खारिज करना. Now let's discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are belch, eject, vomit, puke, spit, and the last one is threw up. Now move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are dribbled and keep down. Now move toward its example. Its example is buses were spewing out black clouds of exhaust. Now move toward our next word. Our next word is incumbent. Necessary as the duty or responsibility morally binding. इसका मतलब होता है लाजमी, फ़र्ज, ओहदेदार. Now discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are obligatory. Second one is binding. Third one is coercive. Fourth one is indispensable. Fifth one is mandatory, and the last one is essential. Now let's move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are optional or discretional. And now discuss its example. Its example is the incumbent governor. Now move toward our next word. Our next word is hesitant. Be quick to do something, move hurriedly. इसका मतलब होता है जल्दी करना, दौड़ना. Let's discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are make haste. Second one is rush. Third one is hurtle. Fourth one is dart. Fifth one is hurry up. And sixth and the last one is bolt. Now let's discuss its antonyms. Its antonyms are dawdle, crawl or retard. Now let's discuss its example. Its example is Hadi hesitant back to Paris. Now move toward our next word. Our next word is bifurcate. Divide into branches or forks. इसका मतलब होता है दो शाखा, शाखों में डिवाइड हुआ होना, पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हुआ होना. Its synonyms are branch, fork. Third one is furcate. Fourth one is ramify, and the fifth and the last one is divide. Now move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are unite, combine, and the last one is converge. Now let's discuss its example. Its example is the road is bifurcate up ahead. Now let's move toward our next word. Our next word is lethargy. Lethargy is something a lack of energy or enthusiasm. गन्नूदगी, कमज़ोरी. Let's discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are inertia. Second one is slowness. Third one is inaction. Fourth one is sluggishness, and the fifth and the last one is lifelessness. Now let's discuss its antonyms. Its antonyms are vigor, energy, and the last is animation. Now let's discuss its example. Its examples are: there was an air lethargy about him. Now move toward our next word. Our next word is lambastate. Criticize someone or something harshly. इसका मतलब होता है डांटना, तानो तशनी करना, किसी को बुरा भला कहना, क्रिटिसाइज करना. लेट्स डिस्कस इट्स सिनोनिम्स. इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर abuse. Second one is blame. Third one is scoff. Fourth one is slang, or last one is condemn. Now move toward our its antonyms. Its antonyms are approve, endorse, and the last one is praise. Let's discuss its example. Its example is they lambasted the report as a gross distortion of truth. Now let's move toward our next word. Our next word is gimmick, a trick or device intended to attract attention, publicity. चाल, मंसूबा, तरकीब, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो लोगों की अटेंशन हासिल करने के लिए की जाए. इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर artifice, rush, stunt, and the last one is trick. Now let's discuss its antonyms. Its antonyms are honesty, reality, and the last one is truth. Now let's discuss its example. He isn't a gimmick man. Now let's move toward our last word. Our last word is tremendous, a very great in amount, scale or intensity. ज़बरदस्त, शानदार, कोई भी चीज़ जिसकी बहुत आला कोई चीज़. Let's discuss its synonyms. Its synonyms are huge, vast, enormous. Fourth one is epic, and the last one is mighty. Now let's move toward its antonyms. Its antonyms are tiny, slight, and the last one is small. Now let's discuss its example. Its example is thunderstorm release tremendous amount of energy. Now in the last I want to share a quote of Alan Kay. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. कि अगर आप अपना मुस्तकबिल के बारे में अगर आपको जानने का इतना शौक है तो आप इसे खुद बनाएं. See you soon. Stay happy and blessed. Keep supporting us, subscribe us and like our videos. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.